You write your raps on typewriter?
Some. I would like wake up the last like 6 months and try to just write, like wake up, type thoughts, random stream of consciousness type of writing, and sometimes that turns into raps. Most times it doesn't. But yeah, this is I actually got 2 of these. I found one in Google the other day. My grandma had it, and it's like one of the like last typewriters. Like it's like a digital typewriter. Like it's got like, you can kind of see like the words and shit if you program it. It's kind of different than like an old school typewriter. So it's kind of a nice little breed. But yeah, man, it's just a different. I'll plug it in. It's a different experience.
What songs have you written on this?
I couldn't even tell you. I write so fucking much.
He has lyrics sitting all over the place. You can get up here if you want. Yeah.
This is so he was talking about these. This is some of the typewriter stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Macklemore being one of my favorite lyricists out right now, it's kind of crazy to see how he writes his lyrics, because I'm always talking to people about his lyrics.
He's an interesting writer.
And like, this is like almost surreal, man, because I'm like always literally talking about lyrics.
You can't cross this out. You can't delete this. You can't spell check this. Like, this is it. Like, it's almost like a piece of art. You know, you have that shit. Like, I keep all of them, and the way that I space it, and you know, the things that get said that weren't, you know, meant to be said, that shit is super fresh to me. It's like a whole different, like, you know, creative process. And I'll even like, you know, run out of computer paper and just throw in
This?
yeah, I'll throw in whatever. Like, I'll type on, you know, literally. But it's just this like, you know, ancient way of writing that's hella interesting to me, you know? Like, I can't spell worth shit either, so it's constantly like, beep, 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 fuck up, fuck up. But you know, there's like all these typos. Like, I would never print some shit like that. Like, it's kind of like the Polaroid of typing. You know, like you don't get to edit it. You don't get to take it back into Photoshop. Like, it's there. It's there. It's there for a reason. You know.
It's there for good. Thank you guys for watching the bonus content of Jabari Presents Macklemore and Ryan Lewis. Please subscribe to my channel, because we have a lot more short films coming on people who are doing amazing things, incredible things, inspiring things. And subscribe to Macklemore and Ryan Lewis so you guys can keep up with their music, their videos, and everything that they have going on. So subscribe, check it out. We have a lot more coming. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.